Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today we're checking out a brand new entry in the commuter bike segment that's making waves for its retro looks and reliable performance, the 2025 Hero Classic 125cc. This bike is Hero MotoCorp's answer for those who want a daily ride with a bit of vintage charm and solid mileage. Let's break down what makes the Hero Classic 125 stand out in the highly competitive 125cc segment. At first glance, the Hero Classic 125 is all about old-school charm. It features a round headlamp, chrome mirrors, and a teardrop-shaped fuel tank that instantly gives it a retro vibe. The matte color options and pinstriping details add a touch of elegance, making it a bike that turns heads even when it's standing still. It's clearly inspired by classic motorcycles from decades past, but it's been executed in a way that doesn't feel outdated. Hero has done a great job balancing vintage styling with modern sensibilities. Powering the Hero Classic is a 124.7cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. It delivers around 10.5 horsepower and 10.4 Nm of torque, which is ideal for city commuting and short highway rides. The engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox that shifts smoothly and delivers decent acceleration for its class. Whether you're riding in traffic or cruising through town, the Hero Classic 125 provides a refined and smooth experience. One of the highlights of this bike is its fuel efficiency. Hero claims the Classic 125 can deliver a mileage of around 60 to 65 kilometers per liter under normal riding conditions. That's excellent for daily riders who want to save on fuel without compromising on style. The fuel tank capacity is around 10 liters, which means you get a good range before needing a refill. The seating position is upright and comfortable, with a well-padded long seat that makes it easy for both rider and pillion to enjoy longer. Commutes. The handlebar is wide, giving good control, and the suspension setup is tuned for comfort. It comes with telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear, which do a good job of handling potholes and rough patches on Indian roads. The Hero Classic 125 comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster, part analog, part digital, offering all essential information like speed, fuel level, trip meter, and an eco indicator to help maximize mileage. The controls are simple and well laid out, keeping the user experience intuitive, even for new riders. Braking duties are handled by a 240mm disc at the front and a 130mm drum at the rear. There's also a CBS, combi braking system, for added safety, which is quite useful, especially for beginner riders. The 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in tubeless tires provide decent grip and add to the overall stability of the bike. Hero has also focused on offering useful features like an engine cutoff switch, side stand engine inhibitor, and an i3S start-stop system that helps conserve fuel in traffic. These small additions make a big difference for everyday riders. When it comes to competition, the Hero Classic 125 will go up against bikes like the Honda Shine, Bajaj CT 125X, and TVS Radeon. What sets it apart is its classic design and the trust Hero has built over the years in the commuter segment. It brings a unique visual identity to a segment that's mostly focused on practicality. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Hero Classic 125cc is priced at around Rs89,000 ex-showroom, which is quite competitive considering the features, mileage, and styling it offers. On-road pricing will vary slightly depending on your city and RTO charges, but overall, it's a budget-friendly motorcycle with great value for money. To sum it up, the 2025 Hero Classic 125 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a fuel-efficient, comfortable, and stylish commuter bike. It brings in the retro charm without compromising on modern-day reliability and performance. Whether you're a college student, a daily office goer, or someone looking to upgrade from a 100cc bike, this one definitely deserves a test ride. Thanks for watching this review on Bike Scout. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest bikes, scooters, and two-wheeler news. See you in the next video.